Carlos Chacon, host of the SQL Data Partners podcast, inviting you to join us at SQL Trail 2019. 2.5 days of networking, training, and fun are planned during October 16th through the 18th at the Virginia Museum of History and Culture in the beautiful Museum District of Richmond, Virginia.
I'm willing to pay for it myself, but if my company will pay for it next year, then I'll use their resources as well. But I think it's worth the investment, and I think it's a great opportunity.
Did you find everyone approachable?
Oh, absolutely. They were all very open to just sharing what they're doing, getting into a quick conversation about what I was doing. So yeah, it was very good.
So would you come back?
Absolutely.
I thought it was great.
Yeah.
It was a nice, intimate environment. Nice group of people, local people, some really great professionals, a lot of great topics, and I think it had a very good format.
Right, a lot of our discussions were more open instead of structured. It's huge. It was more like, okay, here's the general idea. What have you done? As opposed to, here's what I do in my organization, and you can ask questions later. Yeah, I definitely come back again.
Tickets start at just $99 and are available at SQLTrail.com. Compañeros, I hope to see you on the SQL Trail this year.